ka tika rā te ingoara, ka pō, ka waiata i te mea. Kei roto i tēnei pō nui, tēnei pō roa, tēnei pō uri uri, kei te rongo mātau i a mātau. Ahako ko te pō kei te rongo mātau i wa mātau wairua. E hara i te mea takitahi, kei te mahi tahi, kei te whai i te reo o te waiata. He aha te rā reo waiata, tēnei wā ka reo te moho. Engari, koere te paenga o tēnei wānanga.
What enticed me to this is the collaborative mahi.
That may be where the source is.
That's right, yeah.
And that's what we're reenacting, what
That's
the
right.
source is
That's
in
right.
each area.
Yeah.
Personally, you know, I personally have had this whakaaro a long time, that music, waiata, he rongo, you know, it's so therapeutic.
Now that that statement is made, let's come and work this out together. So there's a warmth there.
You know, this is a crazy, busy, noisy world. Just to have this opportunity to slow down and to go, to close our eyes and be one with, and join with our whānau kapua, you know, and remember that we have all these beautiful senses that I feel get cluttered with noise and devices. It's a real honour to just stop